From Haryana, where the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party is facing a fresh challenge as 3 independent MLAs have withdrawn their support from the Nayab Singh Saini-led government. The announcement made during a press conference in Rohtak has dealt a blow to the BJP ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. The 3 MLAs, Sombir Sangwan, Randhir Golan and Dharampal Gondar, have announced their decision to withdraw support at a press conference in Rohtak. They have made this press conference in the presence of former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda and State Congress Chief Uday Bhan. Haryana has a 90-member assembly, which at present has an effective strength of 88 members. As per the current strength of the House, the majority mark is 45. The ruling BJP currently has 40 members, and with 3 MLAs withdrawing their support, their numbers have now fallen to 43 in the House. The BJP has the support of 2 independents besides the support of the Haryana Lokhit Party MLA Gopal Kanda. The principal opposition Congress currently has 30 MLAs, while the INLD has 1 member and the JJP has 10 MLAs. We quickly listen in to Anil Vij's reaction on the crisis.
3 विधायकों का कांग्रेस को समर्थन देने का दुख है, परंतु हुड्डा साहब की ख्वाहिश कभी पूरी नहीं हो सकती। अभी कई तीर हैं हमारे तरकश में, और हमारी सरकार को ट्रिपल इंजन सरकार है। हमारी सरकार 3 इंजन इसकी देखभाल कर रहे हैं। हमारे नायब सैनी जी हैं, मनोहर लाल खट्टर जी हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, जो पल पल की जानकारी रखते हैं और उसका इलाज भी जानते हैं।
लोकसभा चुनाव को लेकर कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, लोकसभा चुनाव अपने चरम पर है। लोगों ने मन बना रखा है, बड़ी बेताबी से 25 तारीख का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। लोग नरेंद्र मोदी जी को तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री देखना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि जो हिंदुस्तान के सपने हैं उनको पूरा करने का जो रोड मैप है वो केवल मोदी जी के पास है, किसी और पार्टी के पास नहीं है। और बाकी तो ये जो ईडी गठबंधन है, ये बिना इंजन की गाड़ी है, ये वहीं सेंटिंग करती रहती है, ये जा नहीं सकती, चल नहीं सकती, ये वहीं की वहीं खड़ी है और ये वहीं खड़ी रहेगी। भाजपा की गाड़ी नरेंद्र मोदी जी के जिसके सरताज हैं वो आगे बढ़ेगी और सफलता प्राप्त करेगी।
My colleague Vipin Parmar with us on the broadcast. Vipin, if you can take our viewers through the latest updates as far as the political crisis in Haryana is concerned.
Well, there are multiple statements which are coming from the parties who are in the alliance with BJP over here, like Jannayak Janata Party. As you heard, the ex-Home Minister, the former Home Minister of Haryana, Anil Vij, he clearly targeted Bhupender Singh Hooda about this particular, strategy that he wants to become the Chief Minister of Haryana, but it's quite impossible for him. And there are people like Manohar Lal, Nayab Singh Saini, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is keeping a very close eye over the development, and they know how to tackle with such situations. Well, as far as the developments are concerned, 3 independent MLAs, Randhir Golan from Pundri, Dharampal Gondar from Nilokheri, and Sombir Sangwan from Dadri, who were earlier from who were giving support to the BJP government, BJP-led government over here in Haryana. They have now shifted their path and they have given support to the Congress. Well, as far as the government instability is concerned, unstability is concerned, the political pundits as well as the legal experts, they're clearly stating that, Congress doesn't have any sort of chance, as they are claiming that the government has lost its strength or the numbers, the majority numbers in the House. But as far as the no confidence motion is concerned, they cannot brought in again the no confidence motion, because it was Congress party who brought in the no confidence motion against BJP government when they parted ways with the Jannayak Janata Party, the government, the alliance government which was running in Haryana. On 12th of this particular March. So Naib Singh Saini, who was elected as the Chief Minister of the state, as well as the leader of the House, they called for a special session. And Congress, they brought in this particular no confidence motion during that particular assembly session. But they failed, and, Naib Singh Saini got the majority inside the House. So now, technically, if we speak, it's 6 months' time, Naib Singh Saini still has, as Congress, they cannot bring in the next no confidence motion up till September 2024. But as far as the developments are concerned, definitely, whether it's opposition, whether it's the ruling party, both side leaders are targeting each other. On the other hand, the independent candidates who have already supported Congress, the 3 independent MLAs, they have supported Congress. They said that the policies, the farmer issue and also the employment issue, that these were the issues they have now shifted their focus towards Congress. But as far as the government is concerned, Naib Singh Saini, who's the Chief Minister of the state, he clearly stated that there are some desires, and nowadays Congress is, completing and fulfilling desires of the people. So these MLAs were having big desires. That is why they have shifted and they have given support to the Congress. On the other hand, former Chief Minister of the state, Manohar Lal, he clearly stated that the people from the opposition party, the MLAs from opposition parties are in touch with him. So, there is no threat. There are no threats of any sort of to the government of Haryana, and government will, complete its tenure, which is up till October 2024 for next assembly elections. But as far as the government is concerned, the people of the government is concerned, they're clearly stating that there is no fear, and that confidence can be shown in their particular statements.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.